Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Vietnam. That's where you
We're gonna do a little bit of an evening one here in Danang. The wind is kind of strong. The ocean's really coming in strong as well. And we're starting this Ao Phalong neighborhood. We're gonna walk down about 10 minutes and just kind of see what we can see. Okay, let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. Yeah, there's a couple of surfers. You can see a couple of surfers right there, and there's one a little bit further out that way as well. I guess it's pretty good surfing. Must be quite experienced to be able to take that though. So we are going to walk on down a little bit. So we're going to walk down the boardwalk, and then we're also going to kind of walk through some of these businesses and see what the businesses are. Let me walk down a little bit. Yeah, that's quite impressive. Let's see, it has been kind of cloudy today. Today's a cloudy day. So another day you might see a clear sunset, but today, not so much. And we're gonna go up. So absolutely no swimming today. It looks like I did see some surfers, so they probably have no lifeguards available today. Oh, that's crazy. There are some surfboards right up here. Sunny surf lesson. So I guess that's a thing that people might do. Okay. Then you have some businesses as well. So we have a little Corona place. And this whole street will have a lot of small businesses all up and down. I think what I'm gonna do is walk by a few of them and you kind of get the idea that they're here. You also have the palm trees to the left, and then the main road that people try to cross over to the left. And I think I'm gonna go back to the ocean just because I can kind of give a mix here. Yeah. You got some coconuts up there. Those coconuts, if they fall down, can be quite painful. Oh, that's crazy how strong it is. Just kind of walk down a little bit. Got some businesses to the left. Yeah, and then it's kind of hard to see. It's so windy and kind of rain clouds, but there's a mountain all the way over on that side. Then you got some beach bars like this. Pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to go down a little bit further, and then we're going to go back to the boardwalk. Okay. Yeah, look how strong these waves are coming in as well. So some people are actually surfing. I saw a couple people surfing, but you can see how strong those waves are. I'm not a surfer, so I don't know if that's great surfing or if that's... no idea. You can see it coming in right there. It's impressive though. Okay. So anyways, that's what it looks like on kind of a chilly, cold, windy day. I think it's usually not so cold, but it is December, and it was kind of perfect weather for the last couple of days, but today it's a little bit cold, a little bit wet. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just kind of end that video, so maybe we'll end it in that spot. All right.